Attention all entrepreneurs and money makers. Are you ready to level up your earning game and join the AI revolution? If so, buckle up because you're in for a treat. In this video, we're going to show you how you can effortlessly make money using the power of AI and ChatGPT specifically. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secrets of monetizing this cutting-edge technology. Let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details of making money using AI, let's first talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It's one of the largest language models currently available and has been trained on a diverse range of texts, including websites, books, and even social media posts. This means ChatGPT can generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions, making it an incredibly powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. The potential of making money using ChatGPT. So, how exactly can you make money using ChatGPT? There are many different ways to monetize this technology, and we're going to cover some of the most popular and lucrative options. Number 1. Customer service automation. ChatGPT can be used to automate customer service, reducing the workload for businesses and freeing up employees to focus on more complex tasks. By using ChatGPT to answer frequently asked questions, businesses can save time and money while providing a high level of service to their customers. Number 2. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content for websites, social media, and other platforms. For example, businesses can use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, product descriptions, and even entire articles in just a matter of seconds. Number 3. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be integrated into chatbots, allowing businesses to provide a personalized experience for their customers. By using ChatGPT, chatbots can understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time, providing a seamless and efficient experience. Number 4. Research and analysis. ChatGPT can be used for research and analysis, helping businesses to gather and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. For example, ChatGPT can be used to analyze customer sentiment, conduct market research, and even analyze social media data. Now, let's see how you can get started with ChatGPT. You're interested in making money using ChatGPT, but you're not sure where to start. Don't worry, we got you covered. Here are some simple steps you can follow to get started with this technology. Number 1. Familiarize yourself with ChatGPT. To start making money using AI and ChatGPT, it's important to have a solid understanding of the technology. This includes its capabilities, limitations, and the ways it can be applied. Start by reading articles and watching videos about ChatGPT to get a general idea of what it is and what it can do. You can also experiment with the technology by using its APIs and experimenting with different inputs and outputs to see how it responds. Number 2. Identify a problem to solve. The next step in making money with ChatGPT is to identify a problem that you can solve using the technology. This could be a problem that you're facing in your own business or personal life, or it could be a problem that you've identified in a specific industry or market. Think about the areas where ChatGPT can add value and make a difference. When identifying a problem to solve, consider factors such as the size of the market, the level of competition, and the resources and skills required to build a solution. The more research you do, the more likely you are to identify a problem that you can solve using ChatGPT. Build a proof of concept. Once you've identified the problem to solve, the next step is to build a proof of concept. This means creating a basic prototype or test project to confirm that ChatGPT is the right solution for the problem you want to solve. When doing this, focus on testing the core functionality of your solution. This will help you determine whether ChatGPT is able to deliver the results you're looking for and whether your solution is viable. You can use open source tools and platforms to build your proof of concept, or you can engage with experts in the field to get you started. By building a proof of concept, you'll have a better understanding of the potential of your solution and the work required to bring it to the market. This will help you make informed decisions about how to proceed and whether to invest additional time and resources into your solution. Now, let's get into launching our solution. Once you've built a proof of concept and are confident that ChatGPT is the right solution for you, it's time to launch your solution to the world. Start small, learn from your customers, and iterate as you go. When publicizing your idea, focus on marketing and promoting it effectively to reach your target audience. You can use online and offline channels such as social media, paid advertising, and events. It's also important to measure the success of your solution and make changes as needed to optimize its performance. This could involve improving the functionality, adding new features, or changing your pricing and marketing strategies. By continuously improving your solution, you can ensure its success and maximize the revenue it generates using ChatGPT. And that's it, folks. As you can see, there are many different ways to make money using ChatGPT, and the potential for this technology is truly limitless. Whether you're a business looking to streamline your operations or an individual looking to monetize your skills, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that can help you reach your goals. So why wait? Let's get started with ChatGPT today and start reaping the rewards of this cutting-edge technology. As we've seen, ChatGPT offers a wide range of potential applications and opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're automating customer service, generating high-quality content, or building chatbots, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to take your earning potential to the next level, start exploring the possibilities today. With its human-like language generation capabilities, you'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can turn your ideas into successful businesses. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to start using ChatGPT and AI to make money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on the latest AI and technology trends. And to make this even more crazy, this whole video script was made using ChatGPT.